Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a OnePlus 6 with a damaged display and in need of a new battery. So let's go revive it. I'm here with David. Let's go. First thing we're gonna do is try to diagnose the problem of this OnePlus 6. As you can see, it's not really showing us anything even if we attach it to a charger. And now we're gonna tape on the back cover because it's got cracks on the sides, and we're gonna slice through the adhesive to remove this back cover. We're still going to reuse this later on, so it's still usable as long as you have a phone case, because I think using a smartphone with a cracked or broken back cover is not really safe. We're going to detach this fingerprint scanner cable. It's very thin and it's going to get damaged if you remove the back cover in the wrong way. We're gonna unscrew the cover for the daughter board so that we can test this replacement display. Brand new display for this OnePlus 6. It's gonna look awesome when we are done with this repair. And now we can see that smartphone is turning on and charging. We're gonna shut it down for now. Later, we're gonna do more tests. Let me detach this and remove the headphone jack. Now we're gonna yank out the battery. This one is gonna go. It's gonna be replaced with a new one. David is gonna scribble onto the old battery so that we don't swap them around. It can happen because they are the same. David has already also sourced the original battery for this OnePlus 6, so it's gonna perform like a brand new smartphone, hopefully. The front display just gets uninstalled fairly easily. That's gonna be a source of concern. How does it get removed as easy as that? We're gonna clean up the side of this housing so that we can install the new display. When you have residue of glue residue on the housing, when you put your own liquid glue, it's gonna get wonky when you install the new display. We want it flush, we want it clean, we want a professionally installed display. So David is doing a lot of prep work before installing the new display. That's the kind of service that you get here in Sydney CBD Repair Center. Dave here is doing it the right way or not do it at all. And install a new battery. Installing a new battery really changes the user experience. You don't carry around the power bank with you. You don't recharge your smartphone as frequent as you used to do with an old battery. We're gonna install it, attach it, and then close up the device, put back all the screws, and we're gonna be good to test it. So if you have a OnePlus 6 or an older OnePlus smartphone, don't hesitate to fix it. If it just needs a new display or a new battery, it's gonna be cheaper compared to buying a new smartphone. And of course, if you have your data inside it that you haven't backed up to the cloud or you haven't backed up on a local drive, then it's gonna be an issue if you want to, that's David, if you want to buy a new smartphone, because you're gonna risk losing some important files, photos, or different types of data in your old smartphone. So it's always a good practice to back up your smartphone to the cloud, especially photos that you can't really replace. And if you just want to reuse your old phone because they're still working pretty nicely, we can fix them up for you for the fraction of the price of some manufacturers like Apple or Samsung. And here, for a reasonable price, you now have a OnePlus 6 that looks half brand new but performs like a fresh out of the box OnePlus 6. Just a cleanup. And this is the before and after shot of the display. I hope you like this, guys. Click like and subscribe. See you again next time. Take care. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time?